In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your text-to-speech sing on TikTok. So open up the TikTok app on your phone, tap on the post icon and either create a new video or upload a video. Now tap on the text icon and type in the message that you want to turn into a song. I've already copied some text and I'm pasting it in. Then tap anywhere on the screen and then tap on the text again and tap on text to speech. Tap on the text one more time and tap on change voice. Then you can select any of the text filters that have the microphone.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
And that will change it into a song, as you can see in these examples here. And that's basically all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.